Okay, you ready? It's recording.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
Okay, hi!
Hi.
Welcome to my channel. This is my mom. For
Hi.
everyone who has never met my mom before, this is my mom, Kai. And we're going to be doing something kind of different today because I was thinking about how artists could use different ideas for gift giving. And as artists, you know, something small, something cool, and nothing says I love you more than refrigerator magnets. This is kind of a cool idea. I found these in Hobby Lobby, and they are magnetic canvases. And so we're gonna do a couple of little paintings for the refrigerator, and we have totally different styles. And my mom hasn't painted in
20 years, but I mean, who's counting?
She hasn't painted in 20 years, so this should be kind of a fun little. We're gonna have some. It's like a sip and paint, if you will. So
Because wine goes with everything.
wine goes with everything. So
Especially art.
yeah, wine and art go together really,
Yeah, it's
really
like
well.
margaritas and art, I don't think it doesn't.
No, but margaritas and dancing.
Yes, margaritas and dancing is correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And Mexican food.
and Mexican food, which who doesn't love Mexican food?
Let's have some now. I think a little guacamole would be really good.
Guacamole would be
but
good.
we're having wine.
We are having wine.
So cheese would be more appropriate.
Where's the charcuterie board?
Yeah, just when you need one.
Just
They're
when-
never there.
they're never
Okay,
there.
anyway.
Okay, so let's get started.
More wine would be brilliant.
I don't know where to put my wine.
What about next to Poe?
Oh, Poe.
Poe is a great wine watcher. Ooh, how about this one? I don't know, Con. You know what? I'm just gonna have to slop right in here.
You're already starting, and I'm.
Oh, but that's because while you're doing things, I was doing things. I'm hoping this is gonna be like riding a bicycle.
I'm glad this isn't like a race.
No, it's just because I need to try to remember what it's like to hold a paintbrush. Just keep slopping more paint on here. That'd be great.
Dream On, that's another good song. I love Aerosmith. I painted Peter.
Yes, you painted
Peter.
Steve.
Steve and Tyler.
Now, how much wine have you had again?
I had 2 glasses, but you know what? I think
It was the fumes.
it was the fumes of the wine. I'm gonna make this a mixed media collage.
Wow.
Because I'm cool like that.
You are cool. I mean, amazing. Cool.
This is what I do with, like, if I'm doing something that I want to have transparent. So I did this spray paint on this, it's rice paper.
Yep.
And when I put the matte medium on here, it will show up transparent over that, and then I'll do the oil paint on top of that because I can use transparent oil paints.
Wow.
So that's what I think I'm gonna do.
Very cool. Very cool.
So I've got this is a matte medium, and that's what I use for my glue. That is really cool.
Well, thank you. I think you're being kind, but
I'm not being I'm not being kind. Is my mom amazing? Yeah. Okay, so we have successfully made our magnets. We have a beautiful blue heron. As you can see, this is my mother's.
my blue heron.
And we have a mixed media collage magnet made by yours truly. And it was a pretty cool project. I think we had a lot of fun doing it.
We did have a lot of fun doing it.
So now we have our frigid fame, and this is our gallery for our hand-painted refrigerator magnets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and meeting my mom. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And as always, I love you guys, and I will see you next time.
Nice to meet you.